As a mobile detailer for nearly a decade, I've really enjoyed helping people take care of what's most important to them, their car. Have you ever walked up to your freshly cleaned car, stepped in and watched the dirt fall right off your shoes into the car mat? So how do you help keep your car cleaner for longer? I came up with the CarMaid, an attachable shoe mat that goes right onto the door pocket of your vehicle so you can wipe your shoes off each time you get in and enjoy less mess. The CarMaid is perfect for everyone. To keep your car cleaner for longer, get a CarMaid today.